Hi everyone, we are here to talk about Dr. Ho's Pain Relief Spray today. So as with many of our other supporting products, our Pain Relief Spray is meant to help you maximize your pain relief results with your Dr. Ho's pain therapy system. We actually recommend what you do is after you do a session with any of your pain therapy systems, we suggest spraying onto the affected area afterwards to really help maximize those pain relief results. Now the Pain Relief Spray actually contains two active ingredients that are very kind of well known for helping with pain. That is arnica and menthol. So I think arnica is a little more of the natural type of pain relief, whereas menthol is our active ingredient. It's a topical analgesic. I think I'm saying that right. I might not be. But that is our Pain Relief Spray. This is part of a whole kind of daily routine that we do recommend with our Dr. Ho's products. We want to make sure that we are the go-to solution for all your pain relief needs. So please use this again after you use a Dr. Ho's pain therapy system. Use it afterwards, and that will hopefully maximize your results for you.